Welcome back to McLean Cadets. Today we're going to replace a carburetor. I wasn't running quite right on my 1812. Had an M18 come in that lost one rod, so I know this carburetor here is really good. So we're going to swap it out. I'm going to show you how easy it really is to do it. It isn't one of the worst jobs in the whole world to do. Just follow along. I am going to put a new gas line in. This is going to be totally unedited. So you can see in real time how this actually goes in. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to replace this gas line. We're going to have a little bit of gas come out of there. We're going to put the clamp right on there. Then we're going to put it on the carburetor. Turn it just a little bit. Put the clamp right on. Turn it in there just like so. Make sure you have your gasket in there. Takes 2 nuts to hold it on. 5/16 course. This is the same way you do it on a KT-17 or a Series 2. Me personally, I really like an M18. I think they have more wallop. Okay, now we're going to hook up the choke next. Right here's a governor rod that goes in there, but we're going to put that in last. Takes a 1/4 inch. I have a long extension on a screwdriver handle. We're going to tighten that right up. I'm going to make sure that works. And it does. Now we're going to put the governor rod in. This is a little bit of a trick right here. And it's in there. We're going to put it in this side right here. Now we're going to put the retainer in the back here. I'm going to just spray it down with some WD-40. So now we're ready to try it. Everything looks about right. Let's see how she runs. Choke it. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put the plate on for the air cleaner. Put the air breather hole through, or hose through. Line up the holes as best as you can. Now I'm using a magnetic socket, but I'm still gonna put grease in there. I'm going to put a plug down in the hole here. Actually, that's not gonna work real well, so we'll just put a piece of cotton down through there. Stick that down in there a little bit. We'll pull that out afterwards, obviously. Now don't tighten the first one up completely tight. When it comes to the last one, which will be this one right here, you want to, we'll have to change sockets. Now, I almost dumped that screw down in there. That's why I put that piece of cotton down in there. Sometimes you can fish them out, sometimes you can't. And I really don't want to take the carburetor all the way back off. So the next one we're going to put in, we're going to use just a regular socket. This 1812, I'm going to re-decal it and everything. It's one of my favorite machines in my collection. I love my Supers, but I love my 1812. Last year, I plowed snow with it. There's quite a few videos on YouTube of me using the machine. I mowed with it the other day, put a 50C deck on it. Now we're going to put the air cleaner on. The element. Now, I get a lot of machines in and they're missing this plate right here. The air cleaner goes on, then this plate right here, and then it has a rubber bushing there, and here's the cover. We'll start it up one more time. This M18 really runs well, there's no question about it. This one here has a lot of wallop. So we'll start it up again, make sure everything's good. Pretty happy with it. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I hope everyone likes the new format of doing everything unedited. It really shows you in real time how long this takes to replace and repair. So everyone have a great day. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, and we'll see you on the next video.